Honorable colleagues, I am glad to address you on this highly important occasion. Discrimination and racism are human phenomena that are simply unacceptable in our modern society, as they violate fundamental human rights and therefore can simply not be tolerated. Equal rights and equal treatment of human beings within the protection of human rights have long become universally cherished values. However, unfortunately, these unacceptable phenomena still lurk within our midst, and despite all the advancements made by humanity, still have not been fully eradicated. Armenia highly appreciates all efforts made towards the elimination of all kinds of discrimination, including but not limited to racism, and thus would like to express its commitment to the realization of this essential cause. In this regard, I can assure you that our efforts against discrimination and racism are made on a national level. Discrimination of all kinds is strictly prohibited by Article 29 of the Armenian Constitution. According to Constitution's preamble, the Armenian people affirms its commitment to universal human values, and in this regard, the Republic of Armenia has proudly ratified and stubbornly remains true to a number of essential international treaties that guarantee fundamental human rights and the protection thereof. That being said, I would like to take this opportunity to inform you about another important step my country has taken towards protecting its people from the disgraceful phenomena in question. Armenia has drafted the law on ensuring equality before the law. This draft law plays essential role in protection people from discrimination, for it not only provides with specific definitions of the concept of discrimination, clearly lists the types of discrimination and clearly defines them, but also envisages legal mechanisms for those who have been subject to any kind of discrimination. I would also like to highlight that the draft law is in line with the principles set in the EU Council Directive, International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination, as well as with the Article 1 of the Protocol 12 of the European Convention on Human Rights. Moreover, the draft law envisages all grounds of discrimination prescribed in the above-mentioned article. On the other hand, Armenia, being among other qualities, finds it very important to create a space for all its residents, whether Armenian or not, a citizen or foreign national, permanent or temporary, to be able to make their voices heard, to make their rights honored and protected by the state, by society, as well as the individuals. For this purpose, my country is ready to keep a close eye on the proper implementation of the Constitution, ratified international documents, and all our other relevant legislative acts. Let me highlight once more that Armenia is fully committed to the international community's noble cause of eradicating all sorts of discrimination in order to be able to create a better, happier, healthier, and most importantly, safer society that can live in a world free of hatred, stigma, and differentiated treatment. It has been an honor and a pleasure addressing you today. I wish us all great new achievements along our noble cause. Thank you.